So, hello everybody, it's Vinny. It's been a while. I've been sick for a couple of weeks, so I haven't flown. We flew the other day, but I didn't have the camera. And I caught a little tiplet, but I can't find it. It's in there. It's got a real short beak. Got a real short beak. Maybe I can find it now. Oh boy. Let me show you these birds. They're all doing pretty good. Yeah, look around here, see what I got. There's a nice blue bar. These are some babies that came in the last couple of weeks, months. Look at that. Look at the bronze and grizzle. The bronze, I had an old band. I put it on. Nice colors, huh? I tell you, I got some pretty tiplets. I gotta see where the king is. I haven't. There he is. There he is right there. See what I got here. Oh. I'm not breathing too much now. They're all pretty well. I want to show you this little baby. This is a beauty. There's a baby blue bar. Baby splash. Look. How do you like this guy, huh? Isn't that pretty? Look at the colors on him. Look at the colors. Beautiful colors. All right, I'm gonna put you down, baby. Let me see if I can find that tiplet. Oh, I'll tell you, it had the shortest beak. So I knew it wasn't one of mine, but I can't find them. See what I got here? Oh my God, I didn't know I had this guy here. Oh boy. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah. Yeah, I'd like to know how everybody's doing. I wish everybody a happy new year. Christmas is a little bad for me because I was sick. And I lost my wife last year at Christmas time, so it was rough. They're all holding up good. I just could fly at a certain time because he comes around and hangs around and he don't leave. He don't leave. See what I got out here. I got trouble with the store. I got trouble with the door. I'm gonna have to try to fix it. Oh boy. That's it, guys. Like I said, I want to wish everybody a happy new year. Happy New Year, and I hope you all had a good Christmas. I'm watching the Red Eye show. You had the Friday night show. I don't see too much of Rocky Ridge or as far as El Moro. He did hook my bird up with one of those big birds, so let's see what happens. I'm watching him. Other than that, it looks like everybody's not flying. Looks like they're at a standstill. But I'll keep everybody up to date on me and talk to some of you guys. Give me a call anytime. I'm glad. Isn't this weather pretty? That cold weather was no good for the cold I had. I caught one of those flus, whatever it was. Boy, that was, forget about it. That make you want to leave. Okay, people, take it easy and have a nice day. Thank you.